Starring Entertainment.
Definitely, storytelling-wise, narrative-wise, isa yun sa pinaka-core, and I think yun yung isa sa powerful talaga dito sa Secret and Bragg. Kasi you would see na parang, parang ano to full of action and all, and at the same time, sobrang sophisticated, pero hindi mawawala yung kung saan tayo kilala mga Pilipino, yung family-oriented tayo, and nandun pa rin yung love. Kahit na ang hirap-hirap ng sitwasyon na meron yung pagmamahalan na nandun sa Enrique at sa
Kim?
Dari patay mali siya. Hindi, alam po natin na ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking project ngayon ng TV5. So, very excited and excited din kami na mapanood yung lahat to. Pinaghirapan namin. And syempre yun nga, meron tong action, drama, comedy, and gaya ng sabi ni Cedric, yung tungkol sa family, which is sa ating mga Pilipino, napakahalaga nun. So, and syempre makikita rin nila dito yung side ng mga agent. Kasi kapag pag-agent, ang thinking kagad seryoso, kumbaga, dapat kalkulado lahat ng galaw. Pero dito, ipapakita rin na meron din kaming side na hindi kami perfect, vulnerable din kami. So, ano?
Sir Reggie?
Sa akin, first of all, I'm very thankful for Team 5, Slingshot, and of course, this is my first time to work with Ken and Andrea. I'm very excited. And ang maganda kasi rito is yung sinabi nila yung story and yung role na binigay sa akin. So, first time ko lang maging politician dito.
Interesting!
Bumili nga ako ng Land Cruiser kagad. Kasi kailangan sa eksena. So, yeah. Sasoli ko rin after. Pero ayun, maganda yung story. And of course, meron touch na of course yung mga nangyayari ngayon sa bansa natin. Yun.
Thank you so much for that, Margaret.
I think nasabi na po nila lahat, no? But I'll go leaning towards the representation ng characters dun sa story. I would say it's not stereotypical, so dito na makikita yung mga representation, especially to the young ones, like of my same generation, like ako as Angelito, siya as Sophie, the representation that it shows na hindi, kung ano yung nakasanayan natin, ay yung makikita natin. So ibang atake ng story, ibang atake ng character, and I think dapat din yung maabangan din natin.
At yung brotherhood yun ni Kim.
Yes, of course, po. And
Pati
of
rin-
course, the family. Me coming from the Pinagpala family. And the family po talaga yung nakaya. And also, I would want to commend the cinematography. I would say it's not very teleserye vibe yung cinematography. It's more of like a movie. So, maganda po, maganda. Yeah.
Thank you, Quinay.
Meron pa ba akong dapat sabihin? Parang sinabi niyo na lahat. Pero ganun pa man po, feeling ko, for me naman, isa din talaga sa dapat niyo pong abangan, siguro yung chemistry namin ni Markian. Siyempre, I think bago to sa mata ng lahat, yes na meron akong ka-love team, ganyan. Pero ayun po, I'm so happy. And sana po ma-enjoy po ninyo to. Sure. Thank you.
How about you, Ian?
More than the character, siguro doon din ako na-excite. Yung especially, first and for all, yung tambalan ni Ken and Blind. Na talaga, I'm sure,
Kinilig ka din?
Oo, kahit tayo nung una nating narinig, sobrang wow, ano to? Anong kakalabasan nito? So yun yung feeling kong dapat nilang abangan. At yung mga characters ng bawat isa, yun yung natutuwa rin ako dahil sobrang Filipino core yung storya talaga, yung narrative.
AJ?
So halos nasabi na nga po lahat, no? Pero bukod sa may magandang story siya, as you can see, it is filled with very talented actors and very passionate directors. And I'm very grateful na kasama ako sa project na to, you know?
Mr. Ruben?
Subtitles?
Subtitles.
Well, I'm very happy to be part of this project. I love the mix of comedy, action, romance of this series. I'm also happy to work again with a very talented production team and creative team, and of course with Enrique again. So I'm just so grateful and enjoying this process.
I love you.
I love you too.
And of course, Miss Kay.
Wala lang po, wala.
Oo nga. Ang dami mong masasabi kay
Wala
Lole.
po.
Oh, last but not the least.
Nakakatakot talaga yun ulit. Hindi, nakakatuwa kasi dahil yung mga pinapangarap mo dito na natupad, ang magkaroon ng asawa, at maging mayaman. Sobrang yaman. Toko, may private plane kami, gano'n.
Agad na yaman? Kasi mayaman ka na.
Hello, tsaka lahat ng eksena, meron kami bodyguard.
Oy!
Oo, so, hindi lang ito nakakatuwa, tamang timpla siya ng action, ng drama of course. Again, yung family ba, hindi kasi hindi kami nagkakalayo, di
Of
ba?
course!
Ako ang nanay ni Blight dito. Walang e-epal. Oo, hindi kami kasi lapit niya eh. Hindi kami So maganda kasi kahit mayaman, very Pilipina pa rin tayo na makulit. Yun yung character ko na makikay pa din, makulit. Tapos asawa ko siya na nakaluwag-luwag ako sa buhay and everything. Pero di ba mga Pilipino, pag nakapag-asawa ng mayaman, ano pa rin? Yung Pilipino pa rin. So, imbis na siya matuto ako mag-check, siya ang matuto mag-Tagalog.
Ayun, siya mag-a-adjust. Siya nag-adjust sa'yo.
Hindi kasi ako margin, kaya hindi ako nag-a-adjust. Charot. Abangan niyo yung kanya-kanyang flavor ng character. Palong-palo.
Teaser pa lang, medyo naramdaman na natin yan. So ngayon yung katanungan naman syempre from our friends from the press is directed towards Direk Paco. Direk? Ayan, Direk, tinatanong daw nila, kamusta daw, di ba, i-direct ang ensemble cast na ito at yung naging experience nyo sa Prague?
Actually, hindi ko kasama sa Prague. Tsaka it was Barry, my partner, who went to Prague. So hindi ko na-experience. Pero speaking from director's point of view, parang pamilya itong set. It's very light. So you look forward every taping day. Ano na naman to, ang saya na itong ano. So hindi siya mabigat. Plus our material, sobrang light lang niya, dalang sundan. Pero when it comes to seriousness, seryoso, parang Pinoy talaga. Na pag nagsiseryoso ako, biglang babali ng comedy. Ang sarap ng feeling. Kasi of course, with the leadership of our creators, si Mark, si my partner Derek Barry, si Ling Shot, and our producers. Tapos, with the ensemble na kasama namin, very masarap magtrabaho. You look forward to every scene. So, and then, they're all thinking actors. We're very blessed to have a cast like them. Na may input sila, hindi lang sila ganito. They create, the collaboration po ito. So, it's something to look forward to.
Thank you so much, Direk.
We love you, Direk.
Yes! And for, of course, our last question,